Our Community College Foundation is thrilled to partner with SCORE to help support entrepreneurs in our community and in our student body. By partnering with SCORE, we're able to reach an even broader section of the community, which is so core to our mission to help advance the interests of local employers and folks seeking jobs.
Recently, I decided to start a small business. Today was my first workshop and it was very fun. I learned a lot from the speaker, Sandra Long, and I also met new people and I had a good time.
You can learn so much, not only from the speaker, but from each other. And things are changing such a rapid pace. To always be a learner is always going to put you in the best position possible for your business. The SCORE workshops are fantastic, and to have it here at NCC is a wonderful opportunity. This venue is fantastic, the beautiful classrooms, and so very welcoming, easy to find.
Well, it's an extremely good fit because the foundation wants to increase entrepreneurial awareness and capability, and that's exactly our mission also. Delivered basically by presentations such as the seminar tonight, and also by our mentoring services.
The Foundation's mission includes supporting students in their educational pursuits as well as their workforce development so that they can find a career and a passion that they have and follow it through the rest of their lives.
And I think with events like this, NCC is doing a great job.
As a small business owner, starting out an entrepreneur, you need to learn so much and you need to build relationships. So coming out to an event like this is a great way to learn and to build relationships.